So guys, for the first step, you want to be on this screen. I want to be showing you two ways how to get to this screen. So the first way is if you can sign into Windows. I'm on Windows right now, I can sign into it. If you cannot sign into Windows, you want to go to the timestamp, which I'm going to show you on screen right now. So once you're in Windows, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. It will then take you into that screen. If you cannot sign into Windows, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. And now as your computer is turning on again, you're going to be seeing the Windows loading screen. Once you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer again from the power button and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you to here. It's going to take you into this screen. It will say automatic repair. You want to click on advanced options, which will then take you to here. So now once we're on this screen, we have a few things we can try out. So for the first method, you want to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. And then you want to click on system restore. If you do not see system restore, you want to click on see more recovery options and then it should be right here. So you want to click on system restore. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, if you have a restore point previously created on your computer, then you can click on next and then you can follow through the restore point. This will fix your problem. If you do not have a restore point, that's okay. We're going to go to the second method. So you want to click on cancel. And now for the second method, you want to click on troubleshoot again and then click on advanced options. And then you want to click on start to repair. It's going to diagnose your PC, see if this fixes your problem. If that did not work, then you want to click on advanced options again and then click on troubleshoot again, advanced options, and then command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space c:// space /f. You can replace the c colon with your Windows drive letter name if it's not C, but for most of you it's going to be C. So for most of you, you want to type in chkdsk space c:// space /f and then click on enter. And then you want to run this. This will take a while. Now once you run all of this and it's been done, you just want to close out of command prompt. And now you can go back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.